white and blue building, I think it is. Silver truck and trailer. Oh yeah, I see you. It's behind you, so you want to go backwards. I see you. Yeah, so you passed it. Keep backing up. So I'm about to go get my truck. Let's go. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Tony the Closer here in Miami at my new place, and my new Lamborghini truck just got delivered to me. I'm super excited about it, right? Let's go check this thing out. Yeah, baby. What's up? How's it going?
Beautiful day over here. Raining a lot over there.
It was raining a lot?
Raining, it's windy as hell.
Yeah. You're part of the crew?
Yes, sir. Part of the crew.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's the mileage when I'm picking it up. It should be the same. You happy? You know they're
I'm good, man. Yeah. Do you transport only on East Coast or everywhere?
You tell me where you need me, there's where I go.
Yeah.
Matty don't like to go many places, but I don't care. As long as I get paid.
Yeah.
California.
Yep, that's exactly what I was thinking.
I don't care.
Yeah. I'll be spending some time in LA too, so.
I don't care.
Yeah.
It's only one car at a time, that's the only issue.
Yeah.
I know you have another one.
The Huracan.
Huracan.
Yeah.
You let me know, just give me a heads up and I'll be more than happy to do it.
Credit card or how do you?
Sale or?
You got Zelle? Yeah.
You use my
Same number?
My name, my phone number.
Cash on delivery. Make sure he don't fuck up my car. I make sure he deliver the product. Everybody wins, right?
Everybody happy, everybody happy.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I appreciate you bringing it, man.
Sir.
Appreciate it. Let's go, baby. You already see what's going on right here, man. Hey, look, you only get these when you actually produce results. And what I do is I actually get results. I got this right here. This is the 2 Comma Club Award. And I actually received this award after going to Funnel Hacking Live in 2020. I went to Funnel Hacking Live 2020. Right after that, ended up implementing the strategies and turned my business into a multi-million-dollar business, 7-figure business, 2 Comma Club. It's your boy Tony the Closer, making money, man. Let's go.